In the grand narrative of the baking industry, stability and aging are the two poles of an eternal struggle. Traditional chemical actives are fading out, and the market is calling for a purer answer. We bring our synergistic revolution in enzyme preparations. First, we reshape the skeleton. Glucose steams builds dissolved bones, and TG enzyme catalyzes protein cross-linking. Even under the test of high-speed mixing and freezing, the dog's framework remains sturdy. Next, we enrich the flesh. Xylinase increases volume and reduces viscosity, giving the dough excellent workability. This lights provides synergistic energy, making breads not only larger, but also adorned with an enticing golden coating. Finally, we infuse the soul. Lipase naturally emulsifies, locking in every inch of softness. Proteins precisely modifies, preventing shrinkage and deformation. This ensures bread remains fresh from day 1 to day 3. Using cornstarch as a carrier perfectly matches your flour system. This is not a simple mixing, but a precise collaborative art. What we provide is not just a product, but also customized enzyme composing solutions for your specific flour. In the era of clean labels, let technology return to nature.